Okay, so we're going to make some Polish lentil soup. Got my sausage, bacon cut up, onions, zucchini, chicken stock. Oh, actually I'm gonna put some collard greens in it too, so let's see how it goes. All right, so first thing I got to do is saute. Set this up for sauteing. Okay, so that's gonna take a few minutes to heat up, so we'll wait for that. Okay, so now the hot pot, Instapot is ready. Let's prep. Okay, the Instapot is ready. Throw the bacon in. So what I want to do is crisp up the bacon. I'm going to break it apart. What I should have done was rolled the bacon and it would come apart a lot easier. It was a pretty fatty bacon, but it's cheap, so that's like it's so fatty. A little easier to pull this bacon apart. Yeah, just gonna be able to make half of it. Put my fan on. I cut a fan on back here to blow the smoke out. Okay, this is a half an onion, but I'm only making half a thing. One sausage. Okay, so when the onions get cooked. Then it's taken about 10 minutes so far to get the bacon kind of crispy. When the onions get cooked, now it says you just drain the grease off, but I'm not a big, I kind of like that bacon grease in there, give it that taste. Let's see. Okay, so just want to get the onions a little bit translucent. Then we'll start adding everything else. The one thing I'm missing is bay leaves, so we'll have to cook it. I don't see where I have any bay leaves. Okay, so next we'll add the zucchini. I'll add about half of it. Okay. I'm keep some for a second thing. Zucchini, the lentils, I'll add about half of those. Okay. Next will be the tomato paste. I'll use about half of this. Punch it the lid. There we go. Okay. So about half of this. And I'm not going to stir this up. Okay. Now I'm going to add some collard greens. Okay, and then finally some chicken stock, and this is the cheaper, even though it's free range chicken stock. This was 2 things of it, so this is 32 ounces, I think. Yeah, so 2 pints. And cut this thing off. All right, there we go. I could have cooked the whole big old pot of it. Oh well. Okay, so that's that. Now some spices. The first spice is allspice. I'll put about a teaspoon or so allspice. Some paprika. A teaspoon of that. some black pepper. And a little bit of salt, but I'll use sea salt. Just a little bit. Okay. And that's what we'll do. Okay, so now all we have to do is put the top on. Where did I do the top? Okay. Okay. All right, so we'll get this thing set up. I always have a hard time getting this thing on. Is that right? Yep. Okay. So now we'll hit pressure cook on high for 15 minutes. Okay, and then hit start. All right, so that'll take about 10 minutes to pressurize. Everything is good. That'll take about 10 minutes to pressurize, 15 minutes to cook, and then another 10 minutes to depressurize. And while that's going, I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff put back up to make a second pot of it. Okay. Alrighty, so it's been cooling for about 15 minutes. Let's finish this off. Gotta get the little button to pop down. There we go. Still boiling in there. Really good stir. Good taste. Spoon over here. It's amazing salt or anything. Good. That's really good. The beans are nice and soft. That was good. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is take some up to the girls up at the Marina office. And then I'm gonna make the second pot. Cut this off. Alright, so it can cool down so I can wash the pot.
And then let's make some more for me for lunch. Alrighty. Alright, so I've had my lunch. The season's well enough, and that's it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.